Is it legal to install spyware on someone else's iPhone remotely?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're discussing a quite sensitive topic: the legality of installing spyware on someone else's iPhone remotely. This is a significant issue given the increasing prevalence of digital surveillance and the critical importance of privacy in our connected world.
What is spyware?
Spyware is a type of malicious software that collects information about a person or organization without their knowledge. It can be installed on computers, smartphones, and other digital devices. In the context of an iPhone, spyware could monitor call history, text messages, emails, and even physical locations.
Is installing spyware legal?
The short answer is, typically, no. It is generally illegal to install spyware on someone else's iPhone or any other device without their explicit consent. This violates privacy laws in most jurisdictions. For example, in the United States, laws such as the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, and the Electronic Communications Privacy Act, ECPA, make such actions illegal. In addition to federal laws, many states have their own laws against unauthorized digital surveillance, including the installation of spyware. This can apply even if the person installing the software owns the device, like a parent or employer, without proper consent or notification. There are exceptions in some cases. For instance, parents may be allowed to monitor their minor children's devices, or employers may be able to monitor company-owned devices used by employees, but this is contingent on local laws and usually requires explicit disclosure and consent.
What about installing spyware remotely?
The act of installing spyware remotely only heightens the legal complications. Not only does it involve the privacy violations of spyware itself, but it also typically involves unauthorized access to another's device, which is a further legal violation in many jurisdictions. The unauthorized access to someone else's device, in many cases, is considered a cybercrime. In conclusion, the installation of spyware on someone else's iPhone, especially remotely, is generally illegal and heavily penalized. It's a clear invasion of privacy and often involves committing further illegal activities. If you suspect someone has installed spyware on your device, or if you're considering using such software for any reason, it's essential to consult with a legal professional to understand the potential legal ramifications. Remember, respecting others' privacy is not only ethical, but it's also the law. Hope this video was helpful and shed light on this important issue.